is 15 minutes to 3.
Having been to Bali a few times over the last few years, I've been able to experience more of this beautiful island paradise than most holiday makers. From the busy streets of Kuta to Changadasi and Penataran Lampuyang Temple in the east, Ubud's Sacred Monkey Forest, and even Gili Trawangan. This time around, I based myself out of a small hostel in the rice fields northwest of central Ubud. The location is perfect, quiet and peaceful, down a narrow footpath, 15 minutes by foot from central Ubud, near small local restaurants, and just a 30-second walk from Ubud Yoga House. Good morning and welcome back to Brochures Adventures. It's about 1:30 in the morning right now and we're getting ready to go to Mount Batur to climb the volcano for sunrise. I think we've got a good group this morning, maybe 5 or 10 people, maybe a little less, but it should be pretty beautiful. I actually caught sunrise yesterday with the drone and it was amazing. I'll show you right here, right now. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired. I've only got like 4 or 5 hours of sleep. Probably not even that. Didn't really look at the phone. And we're gonna head off now. We're gonna head down to the bus that's gonna take us to the mountain to start the trek. So the path that we use normally to go back and forth from town is pretty dark right now, and actually I'm blinding myself with the light here and I can't really see it.
You five, yeah. Into group, Derek.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First step of the morning is of course breakfast.
Welcome, drink tea and coffee, yeah.
Lovely, thank you.
No coffee?
Oh, coffee. Yes, please.
Coffee?
He just starts like opening.
Okay,
It looks like you slightly open your. I brought like the luwak coffee, you know? Yeah. Like.
So it's 3:30 in the morning and we are now starting the hike up to Mount Batur. We had the banana pancakes for breakfast and a little bit of coffee, and we've got 2 hours left. So it's 2 hours to the top and then we'll be there for sunrise, and it should be clear and a beautiful sunrise today.
Turn off. No sleep.
No.
I love this breeze.
Yeah, 50 and the top this 70, 50. But it's more air bring up and the top.
Thank you.
Where is the flip?
Island. Yeah.
So after 2 hours of trekking, it is now around 5:40 in the morning and we have finally got here and we can see the clouds and everything and the sun rising behind us. It is a spectacular view and you could actually see a lot of stars this morning, which was really nice as well. Oh. High five. From our vantage point on the crater rim, we can see the rising sun on the Bali Sea with Lake Batur, Mount Agung, where Bali's highest point lies, and Lombok's Mount Rinjani in the distance. We had an excellent sunrise up here at Mount Batur, and now we're about to head back down. It's another hour and a half or 2 hours back to our vehicle, and then we just head back into town, I believe. Actually, no, I think we go to a coffee plantation. That's what I was told. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. And there's some monkeys running around up here, picking people's bread up and stealing it. It does take a while to hike back down the mountain to our pickup spot, where we chat with new friends before heading back towards Ubud to continue our day tour. Like most days in Bali, the weather is kind of warm, very humid, clear, and sunny. So we did go for that coffee I was talking about, known as Kopi Luwak, otherwise known as cat poo CHINO. Get it? But you can watch that video from Bali here. Right now, I'm going to move on to the holy spring of Tirta Empul. Tirta Empul, meaning holy spring in Balinese, is located within a Balinese Hindu temple. The complex contains 2 pools and 30 showers used for ritual purification and sourced from the nearby Pakarasan River. For over 1,000 years, worshippers from all over the world have been coming to partake in ritual purification of the soul and to ward off evil, even prompting a visit from US President Barack Obama along with his family on a visit in 2017. It's a beautiful place and definitely worth taking the time to visit. Open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You'll have to pay a small fee to enter the complex and rent a sarong, and possibly even rent a locker, but the fees are very reasonable. After a physically and spiritually refreshing dip in the ceremonial pools, we made our way back to nature with a beautiful hike around the Tegallalang rice terraces. For the Balinese, rice is seen as a gift from the gods. This staple food also sets the stage for much of traditional Balinese life. With the steep rise in tourism over the decades, some of the most beautiful terraces have been sort of commercialized, like this one, but they are still a great way to spend a few hours and take some amazing photos. The rice Titanic.
Nice.
You want to try our swing? Yeah, definitely.
As mid-afternoon rolls around, we only have one stop left for the day.
That's friggin' amazing.
Well, hey!
Alright, act natural. Yeah.
Other. No? I guess we can't. They're telling us no. As the sun hangs low and the air starts to cool, we return to our hostel, the Ubud Rice Field House. Out among the paddies is one of the most relaxing places to be in the evenings. The soundscape surrounding our hostel is dominated by nature sounds, instead of the mechanical noises of the central Ubud area nearby. If you take a 45-minute walk north along the path, you'll arrive at the Pyramids of Chi, where I ended my night participating in a sacred cacao ceremony followed by a sound healing session. They were both extremely pleasant experiences, but very hard to explain. Ubud the world over is known for yoga, meditation, and other holistic living practices, and is a very large part of the tourism industry here. Next time on Brochure's Adventures, I'm hopping a ferry to the island of Lombok to trek Mount Rinjani, an active volcano and Indonesia's second highest peak. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and think I deserve your subscription, please click the subscribe button below, along with the bell icon to be notified of all my new videos. This video has not been sponsored, but I'll leave a link in the description below to my website and my Teespring page. So if you'd like to go over there and check out some of the designs that I put on t-shirts and sweatshirts, feel free to go check those out and help support the channel. Thanks again for watching this video, and never stop adventuring.